Right, so I got this from Aldi and it looked like it tastes amazing. We love tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches, so I'm gonna make some garlic, grilled cheese, Gouda sandwiches, and then we're gonna have this and let's get it open and make our meal. This is our quick Christmas Eve meal because I'm gonna be making some homemade like little fried donuts and some hot chocolate later while we watch movies, but this is going to be our meal. So me and Rizzy are going to have tomato parmesan bisque. Let's see how it tastes. It just says heat and serve. Let's see if I need to add my touch to it. Bread. I think I'm going to do 1.5 for each of us. Ooh, let me cut this down. I taste it and I think I'm just going to add just a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and some thyme. So onion powder. Let's find the garlic powder. Garlic powder. A little bit of thyme. And some Himalayan salt, just a tad bit. Nope, I think I want bouillon. I don't want salt. I'll put just a tad bit of this just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I think that should be enough, just a tad. Oh, black pepper, black pepper. Black pepper, black pepper. Okay, we're good, we're good. Just gotta let that get heated. My middle section is getting hot because I'm gonna do my sandwiches over here where I can do all 3 of them. It actually has pieces of tomato in it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And it tastes really good. All right, so we got 1, 2, and 3. This is the Gouda cheese I'm using from Aldi. Sprinkle a little garlic in this, like that. I want a little spice, so I'm gonna put some crushed red pepper, just a few in here. I did throw a touch of butter inside here as well, just to make it creamier. Yeah, in a glass. Happy holidays, my gators, and later we are going to be putting this bad boy in the crock pot. That's what's going to be for dinner. Roast potatoes, carrots, a small macaroni and cheese, some rice, and some fried cornbread. Yep, that's our dinner for Christmas, but this is our dinner for Christmas Eve. Later, gators, hope you enjoyed this quick video of what we're having for Christmas Eve dinner. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back.